take it personal. I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you.
Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. It's your girl Shayla. So I'm sure you guys can tell by the title and by my hair is looking that I am bringing you guys another hair tutorial. So before we even get into this video, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please be sure to turn that subscribe button from red to gray. You already know how your girl do. You already know I love when that subscribe button is gray. So go and do your girl that favor, especially if you enjoy my content. What are you waiting for? Don't forget to like this video. Your girl will appreciate every like she get. Okay? But thank you guys for tuning in. If you would like to see how I created this hairstyle, be sure to stay tuned because it is coming right now. All right guys, so the style I'm bringing to you guys today, I'm not really sure what I'm about to do. Well, actually I do kind of know. I kind of want to do a side ponytail. I don't know why, but you know, we're gonna get it popping. And because I'll be actually putting the back up this time, I wanted to braid it, but y'all, trying to record me braiding the back of my hair, it will probably be a whole hot mess because I'll be braiding like at an angle. So we just gonna hit y'all with some flat twists. So I'm thinking about doing a ponytail on this side right here. So I am going to go ahead and start by sectioning my hair off with where I want the ponytail. I'm probably going to do some at regular speed, but I'm probably going to speed most of this up just because I'm still not really sure the direction that I am going. But let's go ahead and get this thing started. And we are about to get to the bag. How I look, y'all? Crazy? Yeah, I know. It's okay. It's okay. So I am going to go ahead and do a spin so you guys can see where I'm going now. I'm not looking in the mirror or nothing, y'all. I'm literally freestyling, grabbing hair and going. So don't be judging the parting, okay? Okay? Do not judge the parting. Judge your mama. Nah, but for real, y'all. So let's get it going. I can
so long, my dear love. Issues, I know I got issues. Hate you, then I miss you again. Selfish, I can be so selfish. Spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my cake and eat it too. But a little grace would be enough for me to prove that, baby, you're the remedy. You're my mirror, I can finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it. Working out my issues with you, with you. Crutches, I be holding grudges. Can't let go of any mistakes. Distant, sometimes I get distant. Stay away as long as it takes. Please forgive my attitude. I need my cake and eat it too. But a little time will be enough for me to prove that, baby, you're the remedy. You're my mirror, I can finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it. Working out my issues with you, with you. My highs and my lows, it's part of being human. Can you weather the storm? I'm starting to believe you can. 'Cause baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want these problems. I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it. Working out my issues with you, with you. You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warm.
Alright guys, so this is what we're looking like with everything twisted up. And I did notice over here I actually left a sister lock out. Let me see if I can find it. Now I can't find it, y'all. Right here. I actually left the sister lock out. So I'm just going to tuck that in. Okay. But yeah, so this is what we're looking like. I am going to, I could actually rock it like this if I wanted to. I could rock it like this if I wanted to, and it would not be a bad hairstyle. But I am going to go ahead and continue with my side ponytail. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but like I absolutely hate rubber bands. So what I did is, you see, once I put the rubber band on, I only wrapped it around one time, Usually with the ponytail holders, I'll usually just like do it like that. But I am going to go ahead and wrap this around twice. Or one time. Fluff that out as needed. Let me look in the mirror. Yeah, I really should have used some black rubber bands, but I was just kind of grabbing whatever was in my daughter's room. I am going to accessorize that. So just a second and we'll see the final look.
When you're near, whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting me.
All right guys, so this is the final look. I am not really big on accessories, so I feel like I may have overdone it with the accessories. Tell me what y'all think down in the comment box below. I definitely wanted to do the side pony though. It's been a while since I rocked a side pony, so I wanted to make sure I did that. But I am going to get ready to do a 360 for you guys. Hopefully I don't bang my knees, y'all, because this little space is kind of tight. But let's get it.
You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. November gets cold, December gets darker. Let me know when you're home.
Yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this look down in the comment section below. If you made it this far through the video, then if you're not subscribed, baby, I don't even understand why. So go ahead and turn that subscribe button from red to gray. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and drop a comment or 2 or 3. You know your girl be in that comment box checking, and I do reply. But thank you guys again for watching this video. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. Until next time.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated different.